హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోలో మనము హైదరాబాద్ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ప్రీ ఫైనల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. సెక్షన్ 1లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ a is equal to 1 2 4 5 7, b is equal to 2 4 5 6 7 8. Draw the Venn diagram for a union b and a intersection b. To draw the Venn diagram for a union b and a intersection b, we have to find a union b first. A union b and the elements which are there in both a and b together we have to write, but make sure the elements should not be repeated. A intersection B and the common elements. 2 is common element for both A and B. 4, 5, 7. So these are the common elements in A and B. So we have to write A intersection B as 2, 4, 5, 7. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 3, 6, 8, 2, 4, 5, 7 is A intersection B. We'll discuss second question now. Check whether 2 by 3 and minus 5 are the zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 3x square plus 13x minus 10. To check whether they are zeros of polynomial or not, we need to replace 2 by 3 and minus 5 in the p of x. If the answer is 0, then this value will become 0 of the polynomial, otherwise it is not. So replacing 2 by 3, our answer we got it as 0. So we got the answer as 0, therefore 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So we have replaced minus 5 in the place of x and answer is 0. So both 2 by 3 and minus 5 after replacing our answers are 0. Therefore minus 5 and 2 by 3 are zeros of the given polynomial. Third question, if a dice is thrown once, what is the probability of not getting a multiple? 3 multiple. If a dice is thrown once, the probability of getting not 3 is 1, 2, 4, 5. So there are 4 favorable outcomes and 6 total possible outcomes. So 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. Moving on to question 4, a man standing at the top of a building observes a point at an angle of depression of 30 degrees, which is 10 meters away from the foot of the building. Draw suitable diagram for the given question. Depression means which is looking down. So 30 degrees will be here. The same 30 degrees will also be written on the ground 10 meters away from the foot of the building. Show that 1 by sine theta minus Show that 1 by sine theta minus sine theta is equal to cos theta minus cot theta. We will take LHS and we'll prove answer as RHS. So LHS 1 by sine theta minus sine theta is 1 minus sine square theta by sine theta. 1 minus sine square theta is nothing but cos square theta based on the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 2 times cos theta by sine theta. Cos theta by sine theta is cot theta and cos theta we will write as it is. So sixth question, sum of squares of two consecutive positive integers is 181. Write the suitable quadratic equation for the given data. So two consecutive numbers will be x and x plus 1. So 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి వచ్చేది అంటే ఇమీడియట్లీ నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటీజర్. x మనం ఫస్ట్ నంబర్ అనుకుంటే consecutive number will be next number x plus 1. Sum of squares, sum అంటే ప్లస్ స్క్వేర్స్ అంటే x square plus second number x plus 1 is 181. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square formula ఏంటి అంటే x square a square plus b square plus 2ab which can be expressed as x square plus 1 square plus 2x. X square plus x square is 2x square, they are like terms. 1 square 2x అట్లాగే రాద్దాము. 1 square is 1 plus 181 ఇక్కడ సైడ్ వస్తే minus 181. Plus 181 minus 181 is minus 180 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. You can also divide with 2 students because all the terms in the quadratic equation can be divisible by 2. It can also can be written as x square plus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Section 2 lo first question, seventh question, write the formula to find the median of group data and x. So formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is lower boundary of median class, n number of observation or total number of frequency, CF is cumulative frequency of preceding the. Use division algorithm to show that the square of any positive integer number is of the form 5q, 5q plus 1, 5q plus 4. సో 5q కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది డివైజర్, రిమైండర్ విల్ బి ఆల్వేస్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 1 2 3 4 విచ్ విల్ బి లెస్ దెన్ డివైజర్. సో ఈ 4 కండిషన్స్ మనం 5 కండిషన్ మనం తీసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ 0 Draw the graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 and find the zeros of the given graph. So first to draw the parabola x square plus 2x minus 8, we need to take the points like this, students. Replace x value as minus 4, we'll get y as 0, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2, minus 8, minus 1, minus 9, 0, minus 8, 1, 3, 2, 0, 3, 4, 3, 7, 4, 16. We need to plot these points in the given graph. If we, if we plot the graph in the given graph, the graph look like this, and the graph is meeting the x-axis at 2 and minus 4. So 2 and minus 4 are the zeros of the given polynomial. 10th question, find the trisectional points of the line segment joining minus 2, 4 and 4 minus 2. This is one of the important expected question. Trisection means dividing the line segment into 3 equal parts. Tri means 3. So I am dividing the line segment AB in 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. So finding the P and Q is nothing but trisection point. So our target is to find point P and Q. P is dividing in the ratio 1 and 2. So first case will be 1 is to 2, and Q is dividing the line segment in the ratio 2 is to 1. In the other case, we will find the other point Q in the ratio 2 is to 1. To find the trisection, we use the section formula, students. M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2, M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2. The given points we will take as x1, y1, x2, y2 and replace in the formula. In case 1, 1 is to 2, P is 1 is to 2. So P of x comma y is equal to M. Replacing M1, M2 and x1, y1, x2, y2 in the formula, section formula, we will get the P point as 0 comma 2. Q point, the Q point will be 2 is to 1. As I told, Q is dividing the line segment in the 2 is to 1. So 2 will become M1 and 1 will become M2. And the points x1, y1, x2, y2 remain same, and we will get Q point as 2 comma 0. 12th question, two cubes each of volume 125 centimeter cube are joining end to end together. Find the total surface area of the resultant cuboid. Students, here this is cube and volume is given as 125 cube. So they are joined side by side. So when these two cubes are joined side by side, as two cubes joined side by side and given volume as 125, so volume of cube is given by the formula a cube is 125. Obviously, a will be cube root of 125, which is 5. So each side of the cube is 5 centimeters. So length will become 10, height will become 5, and breadth will also become 5 centimeters. We will use the total surface area of a cuboid formula, which is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Finding you applying LBH in the formula, we will get volume total surface area of cuboid as 250 centimeters square.